Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today I want to talk about Crypto.com exchange. Really, I want to talk about the Crypto.com main app versus the exchange, and there is a huge difference. What a lot of people have been saying in the community right now is, if Crypto.com fixes this, then that would be bullish. They're also saying if Crypto.com needs to fix this, and what they're referring to is some of the fees and some of the arbitrage, really, between the price that they show you a coin is on the main app and the price you actually end up selling that token for if you're trading on the app. I'm going to put all these fears to rest for you guys, and I'm also going to explain why this is happening and really what I think about it. So if you guys like this kind of content and you guys have been looking for a video about this a little bit more, this is the one for you. Smash your like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day. When we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so don't miss out on it, guys. But let's look at the charts real quick and give you an example. So to start, first of all, crypto's holding pretty strong right now. Looks like we're moving up a little bit today, but I'm going to give you an example right now. So if you look at the price of Tectonic token on CoinMarketCap, it currently lists a price of 0.0000002021 cents. But if you went on the Crypto.com app right now to sell it, you'd probably get a price of 0.000000196, which is not the true price. And so a lot of people are complaining that there's a huge discrepancy on this, and that if I make profit on my Tectonic, that there's huge fees. First of all, people are exaggerating those fees. There's certainly a huge discrepancy there. And let me just acknowledge up front, it is a problem, but it's not a massive problem. And here's why. The Crypto.com main app, just like Coinbase, and just like some of these other centralized exchanges where it's not an actual, now Coinbase Pro is different, right? Now I'm talking about Coinbase versus Coinbase Pro, right? Let's just use that as an example. If you want to buy cryptocurrency and day trade and trade cryptocurrency, swing trade cryptocurrency, if you're using the Coinbase main app and not Coinbase Pro, then that is not the right way to do things. That is an uneducated way to do it, and I don't mean to offend anybody, but you will get wrecked on fees. And even if they say the fees are, no fees, you're going to get wrecked because the price that they show you it is versus the price that they're actually going to offer based on the volume, based on the order book for that main app, it's different. You don't see the order book. But if you go to Coinbase Pro, you can actually see the order book. You can actually pick the exact price that you're willing to sell those tokens at. And that's the same thing that's going on with Crypto.com main app right now. Crypto.com has 80 million users. They just passed this milestone. They're huge. They're clearly a success. But if you're buying and trading and selling daily coins on this, then I do believe that you're doing it wrong. This app, let me be very clear, the Crypto.com main app is not meant for actively trading cryptocurrencies. That is it is the incorrect way to use it. And I see a lot of people freaking out about that. So what they need to do is they need to come out with this actual exchange. They need to come out with the Crypto.com version 3.0 exchange. And this is what they're going to come out with. And this is very exciting. Right now, you can join the waitlist. It's not currently available, but you can join the waitlist for this, which is going to be very exciting. And if you use this, just like when you use Coinbase Pro, this is to Coinbase Pro as Coinbase, the main app, is to Crypto.com's main app. And so what I'm saying, guys, is the reason that people are having this issue is because, look, this is Binance, for example. And what you see here is an order book. And you can put in stop limit trades. You can put in market orders. You can choose your price. You can choose the quantity. And you can see the actual order book here. That is something that if you live in the United States specifically, you do not have access to. And so therein lies the actual problem. It's that we don't have access to an actual true trading tool for Crypto.com right now. And if you're using the main app exchange as a trading tool, unless you're trading very large bags and you're taking very, very big gains, like 50% gains, you are going to get wrecked on fees. And that's just how it is right now, right? Even there's a discrepancy, right, between the price on the Crypto.com exchange between Coinbase. That's called arbitrage. That's just different. Every exchange does have a different price. If you look at the price of crypto on Binance and you look at the price of that same coin on Crypto.com, they're different prices. Every single exchange has a different price, which is its own unique problem for every exchange. But people are complaining right now, and I think that it's FUD. I think it's unnecessary, and I honestly think it's a lack of education that I want to clarify today, that The crypto.com main app is not meant for day trading unless you're doing huge bags and you're taking huge gains. And even then, there's much better places to actively trade it. So what am I saying? I'm saying it is very bullish when this main app, gets this exchange, this, let's say Coinbase Pro version where you can actually see an order book like Binance. When this launches for the US, it's going to be very bullish because it will alleviate all these concerns that investors have. Now, I'm not discrediting this concern. It is annoying. It is a problem, and it is super bothersome to anybody that wants to trade. But my recommendation for anybody having these issues is, one, don't day trade on the crypto.com main app, guys. Please. It's a fantastic product. It's a fantastic product and tool to buy and hold tokens, but it is a absolutely terrible product to try to swing trade and day trade on, again, unless you're making huge gains, and even then you're still getting not the best price when you do sell it. So the solution here is they need to launch the crypto.com version of the Coinbase Pro exchange, right? We need to see the order book. We need to put in these limit orders, these stop limit orders, and we need to be able to do this. And it will solve so many of these concerns, so many of these problems. And guys, honestly, if you're having these fees, you will get better prices on even the crypto.com DeFi app, right? Go to the decentralized side. You're better off trading in the decentralized side for now anyway as well. And especially for a coin like Tonic. I mean, people are complaining about huge discrepancies on the price of Tonic. Well, guys, keep in mind, Tonic is currently in the 700, 600 rank for cryptocurrencies, and its market cap is only $22 million right now. So it's very low volume. And so there are going to be huge volatilities in terms of the actual price that you're going to be getting when you do sell it. And that's just how it goes when you're trading very low volume coins. So honestly, if you're day trading Bitcoin on crypto.com main app, you're better off than if you traded a Tectonic, but still don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Just wait for the main exchange. Buy and hold. Now, if you make huge gains and you really want to take profit and move it, and you are willing to accept these fees that are a bummer, then fine. That makes sense, to each his own. But that's my advice, guys. So I wanted to alleviate this FUD, alleviate this concern, because I see a lot of influencers talking about this, and while I validate their concerns and that it is true and it is bothersome and it's a problem to some extent, you should know this going into it, that if you're trying to day trade on crypto.com's app, then you're not really doing the proper thing. You need to have a tool like Coinbase Pro, like Binance, where you can see the order book. And crypto.com just doesn't have that yet, but they're coming out with it, guys, and it will be very bullish for it when it does. Remember, we just passed 80 million users for the crypto.com exchange, which is huge. And you got to note, it's already got over half the amount of users that Binance has, which is spectacular to see. So a lot of growth coming, and that will be huge. They come out with these excellent marketing reports, which are great to see. And there's a lot more coming for the crypto.com community, from the NFT platform benefits, partnership perks, cool and unique app experiences for the Loaded Lions. Also, the decentralized games that are coming. You can play now with this game that's coming out for the Loaded Lions. And there's going to be more exclusive Loaded Lion merchandise. And they're doing a lot of great things. So I'm very bullish on crypto.com overall. I don't think they need this to fix this. Like, people are saying it's doomsday. If they don't fix this, it's all over. I disagree. You just have to know what product you're using as you're going into it. So I wanted to clarify that in today's video. That's all I got. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night.